Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be following Kylie Jenner's Vogue tutorial. I am low-key sick, so my voice is very congested and so is my chest. But I am going to be following Kylie Jenner's tutorial, so let's get started. To start off, the first thing she did was obviously use her Kylie Jenner lip scrub. So I don't have that. I made my own. I made sugar, just pure sugar with olive oil and honey. You can add whatever you want to it, or you could buy hers. I just used my own. So she just used this. Such a weird first step, like, I don't know, to scrub your lips. But, you know, anyways, so I'm just gonna scrub. Getting in the crevices. This feels good. Oh, shit. It feels like a massage. So I just scrubbed my lips. So the next step that she did was hair clips. I don't have hair clips. We're just gonna do this. Boom. Next up is foundation. What she did was mix her moisturizer with her foundation. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Pond's moisturizer into my hand like she did and just apply 2 pumps of her foundation. She used an unreleased Kylie foundation, so I'm just gonna use my own Laura Mercier. And she mixed it. Okay, this is cute. It's too dark for me a little bit. And she applied it with her fingers, so. Let's see. For her concealer, she used, obviously, Kylie. I'm just gonna use this NARS. She also blended with her finger. So far, honestly, she's so right about using your finger. It makes it look so natural. So I'm gonna just follow what she did. With the concealer, she did that TikTok hack where they put it in the corners and then out. And then on her chin, her nose. Then she used her finger to blend. I like this, but it's just too messy, you know? I have to wash my hands. So next up is bronzer. She used a brush and she just took her bronzer onto her brush and lightly bronzed her, you know, cheek area and around her forehead. So I'm gonna do that. Then she contours her nose. So I'm just gonna use this little brush to contour my nose, just like she did. Oh. Just like she did, she says she contours her nose with a little small brush like this, and she says she keeps it less harsh now. So next up is blush. For her blush, she used like a creamy blush. So I have this like creamy blush that I got from Shein. She put it on the apples of her cheeks because she has more of a round face, so I don't want to put too much because this is really, really dark. She's also more pale than me, so yeah. But I just want to blend this really well. Okay, it's kind of cute. And then she puts them on her lips. So this is like a satiny feel is what she said hers is like. And honestly, it's so soft and satiny. Next, she takes her powder. So she has Givenchy powder. I'm just going to take this Laura Mercier powder. And she just put it under her eyes. Okay, so next up is eyeshadow. She had a liquid eyeshadow, just a brown shade. So I don't really have a liquid eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna do the same thing that she did and just put like a powder shadow As you can see, there's nothing on my lid. She used a very brownish tone, so I'm gonna use this tone right here and just place it on her lid. Next up is eyeliner. She has really round eyes like me, so I'm just gonna follow her little wing eyeliner. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm left-handed, so that is a fuck up. Okay. Honestly, I know how to do brown eyeliner really short, but she did like a full eyeliner, so. Then she just cleaned up the eyeliner with an angle brush. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this concealer on my brush. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm done. I don't really like eyeshadow or eyeliner on myself because it makes me look childish. I use like a brown eyeliner to like make my eyes a little more almond, but next she applied lip liner. She used the unreleased lip liner. I'm just gonna use my NYX liquid lipstick and line my lips. Her shade was way lighter. I do not want to do a light shade because it won't look right on me, so I try to do it as close to my skin tone or what works best for my skin tone. And she says she overlines her lips. Obviously. Just saying. Oh my gosh, no. Nope. I'm gonna keep it at the top and not at the bottom. I don't like lip liner on myself. I mean, they do look fuller, but we're gonna wait, trust the process. So next up is brows. So she started off by just brushing her brows. I'm gonna brush my brows. And then she just filled her brows in with a brow pencil. I have this little angle brush that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is how I look so far. I look amazing. Look at my lips. Okay, next up is brow gel. She just used Kosas brow gel. I'm just gonna use this brow gel and apply it to my brows. So next she used a highlighter stick. My trusty Milk Makeup highlighter stick, and just apply that with my finger. Okay, and then I'm gonna follow up with mascara. I'm using this Anastasia. She just says she focused heavily on the outer portion of her lashes. So she kind of skipped lipstick. She did liner, but I don't like how this liner looks. I'm gonna top it off with some butter gloss. Okay, so this is the final result of the Kylie Jenner simple makeup tutorial. Honestly, I think it gives like a high school makeup look. I don't know. I don't really like this on me. Let's see. It makes me look very round. Like, I don't know what about it. I think because the way she applied her blush, I applied it on the cheeks, the high points of my cheeks, and the liner makes me look so young. But this is the makeup look. I think if I could change a thing, it would be the lip liner. I don't really like lip liner, so that's probably why I would take that out and maybe put like a little like a lip gloss instead. I do feel like me and Kylie has very similar eyes, but let me try to wipe off this lip liner and then see what it looks like. I kind of wiped it off and now I kind of like it better. It's just so simple. Like, it's a really simple makeup look. And I think she kind of ate, like, with the using the foundation with her hands instead of a brush makes the makeup look so much lighter. But I do like it now without the lip liner. If you have any recommendations of who else I should follow, just let me know. And yeah, Kylie, period. Kylie, you ate. Okay, bye.